Hello, my dears. I'm Sally, and today I open the doors so you can enter your own heart space, ground your love inside of you. If the whole world spins madly, everything around you drives you crazy, and you don't know where you end and where another person or feeling begins, is it yours, is it from another? So then this meditation is good for you. It's grounding, it's centering. Are you ready to come back to yourself, to your home within? Well, you will find your spot today. If it's standing, sitting, lying down, everything is fine. What do you feel right now? How to meditate? If it's still noisy around you, that's okay. Just listening to all the sounds and connect deep inside. Find your spot. And wherever you are on this earth right now, we are always connected. So stay within yourself. If you have your spot, make it as comfortable as you can have it. And put your hands where you want to have them right now. Be totally aware of your hands. Maybe on your knees, on your belly, or even on your heart. How are your hands, your fingers feeling? Are they warm, gentle, cold, or sweaty, or hot? Everything is okay. Get total awareness into your fingers, fingertips, palms, everything. And your fingers, your hands are connected to your heart. So from here, feel into your heart. Dive directly into it. Breathe. How is your heart right now? Did you get stuck in your brain, in your thoughts? How deep are you breathing? If you get stuck in your brain, mostly the breath is so flat you can't even reach your heart. So connect inside. Can you feel the rhythm? Send yourself a smile. Charge yourself up. Smile with the inhale. Send it to your heart. Give love to your heart. Give joy to your heart. Give peace to your heart. Strengthen your smile. Lift yourself up. Continue breathing. Stay focused in your heart. And my present today is a mantra for you. You can just repeat it mentally, chant it loud, or make it with a humming sound. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Shanti means peace. Om is like a seed which you are planting, a seed to grow love and peace. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Continue with your mantra. Stay focused in your heart for the next 3 minutes. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Gently release the mantra. Come back in your heart. How do you feel now? Keep breathing in and out. Are you centered now? Let the world keep spinning. Stay focused with love and peace when you continue your day. Namaste.